On April 9, 2025, the U.S. House of Representatives passed the so-called No Rogue Rulings Act by a narrow margin of 219 to 213. This legislation aims to restrict federal district judges from issuing nationwide injunctions, limiting their rulings to the parties directly involved in a case. While proponents argue it's a measure to curb judicial overreach, critics see it as a direct assault on the judiciary's role as a check on executive power. Let's not mince words here. This bill is not about judicial efficiency or preventing so-called activist judges from overstepping their bounds. It's about consolidating power and silencing dissent. Under Speaker Mike Johnson's leadership, the House appears to be aligning itself with Donald Trump's agenda, prioritizing political loyalty over constitutional duty. The judiciary has long served as a bulwark against executive overreach, ensuring that no president, regardless of party affiliation, can act with impunity. Nationwide injunctions have been instrumental in halting policies that courts have deemed unlawful or unconstitutional. By stripping judges of this tool, Congress is effectively tying the hands of the judiciary, leaving the American people vulnerable to unchecked executive actions. Consider the implications. If this bill becomes law, it could set a precedent that undermines the very foundation of our legal system. The Supreme Court, already facing challenges to its legitimacy, could find its authority eroded as lower courts are prevented from issuing rulings with nationwide impact. This isn't just a legal technicality, it's a fundamental shift in the balance of power that threatens the integrity of our democracy. It's worth noting that while the bill has passed the House, its future in the Senate remains uncertain. Given the current composition of the Senate, with a slim Republican majority, the bill faces an uphill battle. In these times of political turbulence, it's imperative that we remain vigilant. The judiciary must retain its independence to serve as a check on the other branches of government. Efforts to curtail its power, especially under the guise of reform, should be met with scrutiny and resistance. Listen, all citizens need to stay informed and engaged. Our democracy depends on it. And no, this is not a test. We are in a fully blown state of emergency. This is Sensible Sue signing off. Stay sensible out there.